Once again, I'm at the Great YS Fall in St. Elizabeth. This beautiful, wonderful river. And it's a beautiful, I can't find adjective. It's a lovely place to be. YS Fall, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Lord God. I can't leave St. Elizabeth, it's too nice. Oh no, I don't get to go to Portland yet. Oh no, I don't get to go to town yet. Eh? Lord, it's pretty. Yeah, this is YS Fall, YS River Fall. Beautiful place. Lifeguards them. Yes, yes. YS Fall this, definitely. Yeah, the beautiful YS Fall in St. Elizabeth. Beautiful scenery. Loads of attraction, loving people. I tell you, this is awesome, awesome. It's a paramedic view. Look at the lovely flowers, the vegetation. Wonderful. We are at YS Fall in St. Elizabeth, aka St. Bess. Yes, lovely place, Lord of mercy. We're going to go down my poolside and ask a few questions and have a chat with some people. Honestly, the water is a little bit dirty because the rain, we have some rain yesterday, a couple days ago. So it's coming down with a little bit of color. Otherwise, this water would be wonderfully clean and pretty. See, that is why they say Jamaica, land of wood and water. And this is so true. This is definitely the land of wood and water. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. Lovely water. Yeah. So another woman that she probably have video to her or something, I don't know. Who you wake up this morning, me? Alright. Yeah, we are doing the same thing. So we got to just take some pictures. Honestly. Jamaica is one of the most beautiful places on earth. I can tell you that, whether you want to believe it, yes or no. Lovely places. Yeah. See everything going on right here. Right here, all the lovely bushes and things. We are at YS Falls. Yeah man, St. Elizabeth. That is the small one in BSB advice, waterfall by here. Then we have YS Fall, kindly note that tipping is your own direction, discretion. Right, they have them stern warning here. You should not tip unless you're willing to or you generously want to give. Nobody should compel you to tip whenever time you come to this place. Simple and straight, we call it SAS. Yeah, so this sign is big and this sign is there. If you feel like give someone something, it's entirely up to you. No one should tell you you must tip them because they gave you information or stuff like that. No, that not really depend. See it, lovely YS Fall. BSB tour. And right now I'm trying to get into this box here. Yes. To give you a better look at the river or the fall. This is the beautiful water. Lovely place. Oh my lovely God. Yeah. Wonderful place. This happened 24 hour 48/4 right through the year, right through the day, right continuously. Yeah, people swimming it, you have lifeguard over there, you have so many things, people come and climb the fall and all kind of madness. Beautiful place. They have shoes that you can buy to climb the fall. You know, it's just fun all over. Fun, more fun. And trust me, I don't want to really get wet, so let me get myself together. Alright, so now we're gonna go at another interesting point and see what we can show you guys. As we say, we are at the YS Fall, St. Elizabeth. Beautiful place, wonderful people. And as we say, this is where God lives. God lives here. And as Jamaica live here, we have to have beautiful stuff here. Now one thing with Jamaica, once you have a little change on you, you are okay. If you have a little change. Yeah man, everything is right here at your fingertip. You don't have to leave foreign if you have change, cause everything in foreign is here. But you need money to get it. Alright, let me go to the zipline safety rule area. Okay. Yes, this is the role of zipline safety. Trying to tell you how to be safety. If for any reason you don't make all, yeah. Lot of things going on right here. Place where God live. YS Fall. Yes, I am. Bless. Zip line over YS Fall. You have a little zip line thing where you can climb on a thing and sail over it. I won't take that chance. I'm not so brave. No, I won't indulge in that kind of activity. The zip line over the fall and a piece of metal. It don't make sense for me. But the truth be told, loads of people do it and they're having fun. But me not do it. Me can't involve in them joke there. Me too coward for them sitting there. Yeah. Sometimes people wonder how me fly and plane, how me so afraid of height, so to speak. But the truth is, what you gotta do, you gotta do. Yeah. If the unlikely event come, you gotta prepare. So whenever. If that is what I should do to stay alive, I would have to. Well, we're at the pool side now. Yeah, lovely pool. Fresh water, loads of people having fun. And you know the whole place is just excitement, loveliness. Yeah. And there's a live yard right there, and should in case a mishap try to occur, he's right there to put things back in check. Yeah. I only hope they pay him proper. Yes, man. So this is the poolside where you sit and drink your juice, your champagne, your rum, whatever. If you're not driving. Or if you're driving, please leave it alone. Yeah, this is a lovely pool. I'm gonna go in it in a minute. Beautiful pool at YS Fall. Wonderful people flying their dome, doing all the connection and looking. But it's not the best day because rain. Got so many rains. Rain. Now this is another shed where beautiful young ladies are doing their things. Wow, so much mud. Yeah, this is where they change. So now I'm going right to the bush end of YS Fall. Yes, people, this is what's going on in Jamaica. These simple things make me excited. These simple things make me know that I'm properly enjoy. I don't have to go and party and make a lot of noise and do all kind of something. I just want to, enjoy myself to the best of my ability. And this is it. I love them kind of something. Unfortunately, the place where I live, this kind of activity is not going on. So, trust me, people. This is a beautiful Jamaica. Beautiful place. Yeah. Let me see now. What else should I show my people on behalf of BSB? Let me see what else I shall show you guys. Hello. Alright. Maybe I can enter here. Beautiful cheese. Just Jamaica. Wonderful place. As I say, God live in Jamaica. And nobody can decide say a lie. No one can say a lie. God live in Jamaica. Believe it or not. Not in Bahama. That's a pool. Right. Let me walk go down where the buses are and see. Wow. Yes, I love it, loving people. Yes. BSB doing a small tour of Jamaica. And I'm just showing my people what's going on. Presently we are at YS Fall in St. Beth, the best parish of all the saints. People are lovely, wonderful people. Yeah, lovely people. There's another tourist looking around. Yeah, them love this kind of thing here too. Pretty soon and thief our thing far away. I wouldn't be surprised if this place owned by a foreigner. Yeah, I wouldn't surprise. Seriously, I wouldn't surprise. Wow. Yeah man, beautiful place, lovely things. Thing good. And so Anna, if you see how we as Jamaican have to really surrender to them, the foreigner, in every aspect, even in your own country. Yeah, the hotel that we are staying at, that I am staying, it is owned by an Englishman, and they treat him so well. I mean, the workers, can't blame them. They are working for their money. But trust me, here is one of the bus coming again. I'm not talk to that young lady, but after she get off her phone, she gonna tell me some things about this fall. That the bus, the YS Fall bus. Yeah. Hello, my friend. Hello. She's busy. When you finish, we can have a conversation and let you hear the history of this place and different things. So now I'm resting under this hut. Beautiful Jamaica. All Jamaica need is money. That's all Jamaica need is money. Beautiful place, loving people, all the beautiful things happening right here in Jamaica. And I would advise my brothers and sisters who make it to come back here and start some business, because this is a potential place for business. See, loads of people just get off the bus. Loads of people. You'll find that every 15 minutes one bus come. Look at the condition of the bus. Lovely. Yes. Open air bus. You don't have to worry about air condition and all of the natural breeze come in. You drive around, pick you up, drop you back. Once you buy the ticket. Now that is the inbound shop where you buy gift and stuff like that. Yes. Lovely people, them just walk up and down to them nice things where them love. The fact still remains that Jamaica is a beautiful place, regardless of how you look at it. One or two criminal elements might be there trying to spoil the country. But the real truth is, this country is the best country. No joke. Yeah. The loving people, I just may tell you. www.ysfall.com. If you want a book, just go online and do that. Go online, get some information. Beautiful fall, I can tell you that. A lovely fall. Where's the long lady? Where's she gone? Oh my gosh, I miss her. It's somebody I was gonna talk to about this place, but unfortunately she slipped me hand. So them say, welcome to Little Paradise. A little bit of paradise. That is so true. Yeah man, everything beautiful here. God knows. Food, people, everything. Lovely place. Lovely place. Oh, the kind of tree this. What tree is this? Yes sir. Bless him. What kind of tree is this? I don't even know. St. Rose, Brian, Omari, Carr. What is the Delroy Garden? Shogai, Elaine Morgan, the whole I know. Big up on yourself. So let me see if we can find somebody to give me some overview of this fall. Let me see. Loving people, it's a beautiful place. The scenery is nice. The vibe is good. The rum is sweet. Don't mention the food. I say I've eaten ackee and saltfish all the time in my life. But the best ackee and saltfish I ever ate is prepared in Jamaica. Believe it or not. Yeah man. The national dish, Lord have mercy. You thought the ackee can and all them rubbish there, you know. The dark real ackee. Off the tree. To your stomach. No processed food. Just ready like Freddy for you. Yeah man. Tell you, I ate so many ackee and saltfish in my life. The best ackee and saltfish I've ate is in Jamaica. Tell you. Believe it or not, this is such a beautiful place. It hurt me to hear how people are kill off people. People are murder people. It hurt me to see how they deal with our people. Trust me. Slaughtering them like animal. Treating them like a reject, riffraff. Mess them up. Kill them. I hear so many stories. You know, sometimes I really wonder if something really goes so or just fabrication. Yeah. So honestly, this is a beautiful, lovely waterfalls. And nowhere better than heaven. Nowhere is better than paradise. Seriously. This is the hidden treasure of St. Bess. Oh, this come bring back a lot of memory to me. The woodpecker, the birds. The lovely birds. In the morning you hear them singing. Twing, twing, twing. Lovely song they're singing. Yeah, man. This is a beautiful place. Sometimes I really wonder, what am I doing in the white man land? Hello. Hello. I'm doing White River Fall. You have anything to say about White River? YS River? Tell me. Tell them what you want to say about YS River. Tell them. Talk to them. Yes. Share. More share. More share. Yes, people. I'm telling you, man. It's a lovely place. Where else I can go now? I want to talk to somebody local. Who? Yeah, go there. You take the bus, go there. In the car? What car? Oh, I don't want to put it in the locker. I think it's a car. I'm not going in the water. I just deal with this thing. We just deal with this, my loving people. YS Fall with there and St. Bess. Angela Christie, Lord God. I left St. Bess yet, you know. We just touch St. Bess. So we don't touch Mandeville yet. We don't touch Maypen yet. And we don't touch Spanish Town yet. St. Catherine rather. Kingston, we don't touch that yet. St. Andrew, no. And St. Thomas all the way around. And we had a parish tour. BSB is doing a parish tour. Doing a small documentary of our beautiful Jamaica. We're going to put all of our slides together and make it into a very interesting one. Yes. So right now I'm still in St. Bess. So some attractive places are in St. Bess. And we have to explore them. We cannot make the tourists alone come and explore the whole place. We vaguely touch Montego Bay, St. James. We touch Chilani. We touch a little bit of Westmoreland. Hanover we touch. Yes. But we still a touch St. Bess to the fullest. I'm telling you that big and serious. Yeah, I'm loving people. The people that walk around, workers that walk, you know, like nice, lot of nice things, people drinking and having fun. Over there is a pool where they're swimming and enjoy themselves and just enjoy, just live a life as if freedom. Live a life as if there's nothing to worry about. Yeah, man. That's why we say Jamaica, no problem. There's no problem in Jamaica, honestly speaking. We just eat, drink, sleep, and, you know, enjoy ourselves. Live like there's no tomorrow. We don't worry about nothing in Jamaica. Seriously. I wish I could live like that. I've admired the people who live like that. The truth is I can't do it. I would die before time. Got too much things to do. But this is how it works here. That's why they say Jamaica, no problem. Everybody just eat, drink and sleep, find somewhere to hide themselves, daylight, then get up again, and it go on and on and on and on. Yeah, man. The loving people, me not lie. This is a beautiful place. I call this heaven and earth. God lives in Jamaica. And the place that God lives is in St. Elizabeth. The women wonderful. The brethren them cool. No violent, no trouble, no aggression, nothing. People are always ready to apologize, be nice and good. And just goodness. I cannot say this for Spanish Town. I can't say this for Clarendon. I can't say this for nowhere else. I can tell you based on my experience. The latest night me on the road, the earliest morning me on the road. Every day. Doing this for my people and myself. And trust me, they are wonderful people. I haven't have no encounter. Not even one encounter. We get all the love and respect right here. Not saying one and two mishap won't happen, you know. But I'm not gonna tell you that everything, you know, Jamaica is beautiful, trust me. Yeah man, apart from the old dirty cross, it's called poverty. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, there's some wonderful tourists, or so to speak, white people. Yes, I wanna speak to one of these locals, but they just slip me man. I'm gonna try see if I can catch one again and have a talk with them, because they need to tell me all they can tell me about this place. But every time I rush to get one, they run off. Not necessarily run off, just get busy giving advice, selling things, doing the necessary things that they get paid to do. But the truth is, I want them to tell us a little, or tell you a little about this place. Just let's go and see if we can find one or two. Again. Yes, people. BSB once again vlogging across the country. Hello. Hello, dear friend. This is my first time here and I just want to know something about this place here. Is that alright with you?
I would prefer if you not do a video because I don't work for this place. I work for a bus company.
Oh no, if you're not on you.
Okay.
Yeah, I really have a fact this is my first time here at this location. And what is the history about this place? Why it's fall?
Arlene! Arlene!
Lovely national bird, what do you call them? Hummingbird. Yeah, well, you're not gonna be on video. Alright, I'm gonna have to find somebody. Arlene, where are you? Everybody for that video. Nobody wanna come on the camera. No one. No one wanna come on the camera. So, but we are at Wonderfall, a beautiful place. And she says she don't want to be on the camera because she don't work here personally. She's contracted to this company, this property, and it can hamper her job. If her boss see it, we have to respect them kind of view them, because me don't want nobody lose them job. Me don't want nobody get, stuck. You know that me come here for. Me come here to get information that I need. Yes, we put the thing together, but we don't really want to sabotage nobody's job and make them feel funny, because some of them boss here, them fear them work, I go say the wrong thing, and then the wrong thing might end up get their service terminated, because they are scared of what they do or does. Nevertheless, see, beautiful Jamaica, lovely waterfall, beautiful place. Okay, I'm just thinking whether or not we should go all the way up the fall again. Yes. Right. So that's it we're going to now. Yeah, straight up. Straight up out of the timber. BSB to the world. That's the road. Funny enough, not many people here because the rain. Right, going to the pool side again to get things set up. Yes, I am. Long people always say this is YS fall. And if you all know what the Y mean or what the S mean, yeah, we know it's YS. What the Y mean, the YS mean falls. We have the beach, we have the pool, excuse me, or the pool, and I'm going to the pool side. Pool side, go sit down, no doubt, grab something to eat. Alright, there's a beautiful lady right here. I'm going to see if I can catch her. This is a pool. Yeah, this is a lovely pool. Beautiful pool. I might just get a swim in it. Who can tell? Who never can tell? Hello, nice lady. How you doing? Yeah, you're enjoying the pool, innit? Yeah, can I just talk to you for a minute? I want to know a little about this place. Do you know it? Oh, you're a visitor?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is my first time here.
your first time here?
Yeah.
Oh, so you want...
I came out
With who? Which guy? Oh,
see him up there sitting in the thing.
yeah.
Yeah, this
I'm gonna get him. Yeah, they what you call it. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. They are a visitor like me, so they don't know much about it. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Bless you know. So we are at the poolside, chilling out at the YS. Let's just say Yankee Senti. That is YS, Yankee Senti Paul. Yes. Sharon Hall. Long time. Jackie Nelson, Angela Christie. God bless the whole of you. Yes. Right, Augustus. Yeah man, we are at the poolside right now. Not many people here today because we have overcast. Apparently we might get some rain. And with that said, you know, Jamaica already. We don't love the rain, we don't love disaster. We don't love inconvenience. Truth is, we have to just sit at the poolside and talk to the people there. Yeah, see one and two tourists coming, you know. The lady says she's a visitor like myself, so unfortunately she cannot give information. And the one who can give information, they mouth zip. And they know that we are international and we are going. You know, when they see things, them just get scared talking about camera. And nobody want to talk on video. Yeah, so we have to try to see if we can trick them. Hide the camera from them. And then talk to them. So you only hear the voice, but they don't see the camera. I might have to try that one. Because anybody see camera and they see video, they get sick. You know, they don't want to get involved and all them things there. So we don't know. We might have to try some sites. Just to get them to tell us a few things about the place. Yes. So people tend to zip them out. I don't know why. They don't want to come. They don't want to talk about. They don't want to comment. They don't want to say nothing. They just want to keep mute where this event or this place is concerned. And I don't know why. But nevertheless, I understand because the politics and the way how they were taught or they were trained not to divulge information, because if you get in foreign and not properly, the boss can be questioned. The management can be questioned and stuff like that. So everybody don't want to be the one who actually let out the puss out of the bag. But nevertheless, I got to talk to somebody today. Few people will decline my conversation and say, you know, I don't want to be on camera. I will talk to somebody. Yes, I will. It's just a matter of time. There have to be some local here that I can talk to see and understand what's going on. Yeah. Foreigners here, locals here, everyone here. And Jamaica is a beautiful place. Trust me, who never got Jamaica yet, this is what Jamaica look like. Don't let nobody tell you about criminal and murder and frighten you. Just take your holiday, go to Jamaica. You can die in America, you can die in England, you can die in anywhere. So let no one fool you and tell you, oh, you go to Jamaica, it's dangerous, be careful. Of course, you got to be careful in Jamaica just like how you be careful in England. You cannot avoid that. Come. Come here, darling. Yeah, come. I'm trying to find out something from her. She's coming. Yes. Mama, I'm not stealing your daughter. Come now. I'm telling your mother that I'm not stealing you from her. He's not your mama. You're local, you're from here?
I recently came to live here.
Oh, from where?
St. James.
Oh, so you're Jamaican, you live in Jamaica,
Yes.
yeah? Do you know anything about why it's fall? I just want it for my benefit of my listener. I have some people listening. And here, do you know anything about this place?
Not really, no.
Nothing at all.
No, I was just reading under
Yeah.
the thing out there, it says that this fall, the waterfalls to 7 falls.
Okay.
Yes,
So you're coming all the way from where it come? Where the water coming from?
I don't know what that here message. I don't quite remember.
White River?
No, not White River.
Grotto, Green Grotto Cave?
Yeah?
Green Grotto?
No, man, there's some hills, some
So you're coming all the way far, yeah?
I don't know how
I might
far.
go and read it when I'm done.
Yeah.
So you're from St. James?
Yes.
I used to live in Montego Bay, you know.
Where?
Now, and then I go to Farm Height. Now them places are dangerous, don't you? So why you just migrate to St. Elizabeth now?
Yes.
You get a job down here or something?
Yes.
And you just, why, you're a teacher?
Yes.
Oh, the spirit right. He told me you're a teacher. Yeah, man. I just look at you as a teacher, then you know. So they transfer you here and you like it here.
Well, my husband transferred here for church.
Oh, he's a pastor.
Yes.
Good combination, a teacher and a pastor married, you know. Dignified family. Thank you very much. You're darling for your time. Alright, God bless you. Yeah, I will speak to her and she was giving me a little information, but she still don't have enough. She sent me to a board where I have to go and read the board and find out all the information. Yeah. So this is what's going on, people. The people are afraid of the camera. The people are scared of the camera. They don't want to talk to me on camera. No, sir. They're just scared. So we have to just do a few little itch and pitch. Yeah. This is why it's fall. Beautiful ladies walking in there. Nice, skimpy clad, as usual. Wonderful black woman. Nothing sweeter than a black woman. Nothing in the world. I tell you that a million times. Nothing is sweeter than a black woman. Having a black woman in your life, it boy, you have God in your life and goddess. And I won't apologize for that nowhere. I'm sorry for all the people who believe that the other nationality can bring them joy. They've been deceived. No, serious. They've been deceived. If you believe that the Indian, the Syrian, the Coolie, the white, the Paki, the whatever can bring you joy, you've been deceived, brother. Yeah, man. Nothing is better than a natural black woman. Not that the kaba bad one, them we want to get trouble every time, no? And they want them to be comfortable with themselves and feel intimidated that you're going to go to another girl. Because why? No. I want to reason to know, people. If a woman and a man live together and everything right, or the woman confident in herself, why is she, really and truly, why is she worrying about another girl to get involved? Yeah. In my position, though, I can leave my woman in the house with the most gallus thing can be. Because what? If him, the gallus, try anything with the wife, it's going to be rape. Or the woman is going to be rape. But if the woman give him, that is their business. And we should never try to use our own self and our own feelings and try to make it look like we don't word while. No, man. When man who have woman and woman have man and they understand what they have, there shouldn't be this jealous thing coming and you can't free up yourself and talk to people. See, I just speak to the teacher woman. She said her husband is a pastor. She don't know me. She come and she tell me half of her life. She tell me that she was living in Montego Bay. Her husband transferred to a church here. So she also transferred to a school here. And nothing, the woman never feel insecure or paranoid or say the husband gonna beat her up or the husband gonna feel funny for she to talk to me. No. Because her husband supposed to be intelligent enough to know that other men, other people, other human being gonna want to have a conversation with his wife. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, so I tell you, nothing is better than a beautiful black woman. And I'm talking about beauty in the heart. Not on the surface, not on the legs, not in the face or the breast, but in the heart. And if you don't agree with me and really love me, I say, I don't know what you, give me some signal. Yeah, man, nothing at all is better than a beautiful black woman. When I look at these ladies compared to those, this white one here, I can see a big difference. Trust me, look at her. She's in the pool right now. You can see her? Yes. And look how the black girl was round, them just look good, them just stay good, them just well put together. Because God knew what he was doing when he designed them. And God knew that they are precious, they are wonderful, they are lovely people. And all black women, I want to give yourself ratings. And stop embrace negativity. Stop hug up sorrow. Stop hug up foolishness. Stop one like say, you don't feel say, when a man easy to take away. That me I tell you, stop going like you don't think when a man easy to take away. And stop going like you don't insecure within a relationship. Every time when a man laugh, smile or talk to somebody, you don't feel insecure and paranoid. No woman, you're not bigger than that. You're not better than that. And the virgin, you know better too. When you say when a woman talk to somebody, if you love it and know say, yo, You're married to somebody, you're there with somebody who have class. People gonna say hi, hello. People gonna get familiar. People gonna want to associate with what you have because you have something that's worthwhile talking about, talking to, talking with. So virgin, we have to get past them foolishness here. If you can't handle the jealousy or the foolishness, you make sure you go get some counseling, get someone help you. Cause too much idiot man there now and mash up their marriage, their relationship, their everything. Because them believe that boy they want to get and then delete and then that and then ask them comfort. It make no sense to me. And that's why I tell you, in order for you to reach certain level, you have to be a murderer. And the murderer you have to learn to kill what is killing you. If you don't kill what is killing you, it will surely kill you. Trust me. Truth be told with people, we are wonderful, we are powerful people, but we allow the devil in our life, in our world, in our settings, and that causes big problem. I'm telling you. So the truth is, we have to live above this and kill what is killing us. Get past the past and move on. You understand? Yes. Because what? Life is precious when you have it to live. When you're dead, you're done. No one knows what happened to you when you die. Only you know what happened if you know what happened. So you have to live your life right now in the physical and make sure all went well with you. Seriously. I'm telling you, man. You have to make sure you do the thing that you can do while you're alive. Because when things gone bad, you find that you're 6'6", you find that you're lifeless. There's nothing you can do. You become like that piece of dry stick. You become like that chair. And you don't want to waste all your days. And when it comes to a dying pillar, you start to regret. I should have do it that way, I should have do it this way, I should have do that, I should have loved that, I should have, and all kind of I should have come to your way. Look at the old man beard, what they call him, old man beard. Yeah, lovely bushes, tree, wonderful thing. I thought I should have do this if I did only know, if I did this, if I that. My friend, we know a long time, but we never want to accept that we know. Now the truth reach we start to wish if we get a second chance. And most time is we who destroy ourselves. Seriously, from early. From my loving people, I'm telling you, black women are the most beautiful women in the world. Apart from the few who don't really know how to conduct themselves. Apart from the few who possess and embrace jealousy. Apart from the few who always believe that they have to be the one who called the shot. The one who have the last say. Truth be told, we are all equal. And we should remain equal. Come on. So loving people, we not lie to you. I try my best to talk to some of the locals, but they refuse to come on the camera. They don't want to come on camera because they feel that they might say the wrong thing and the boss might see this video and then their service terminated. Hence, they cannot afford to lose a livelihood. And we understand that. We understand proper, because I can't employ them. And I won't be able to send them money every week, every so often. Yeah. Look at this one, look at this one. Lord God, look at this beautiful girl. These beautiful girls. Wonderful piece of machine. Wonderful make. Wonderful woman. Looking beautiful. No white people can't look so. Look like these things we make for them earlier. Yeah man, them look good, man, I lie. And we love black people. Wow. I need to say nothing more. You guys see it for yourself. Yeah man, so you know see, we have to big them up. We have to big them up because them deserve it, and most of them girls don't get no big up. Them just sure. Man just mess them around and call them name and make them feel inferior. Yeah, I feel like I should get up now and make another walk. Alright, comparing to the other day, look at these. You can't even get bad food. You can't even get bad food. John know. John was John put the camera on him down. They can't even wear a bath suit. And they don't have no shape or nothing. Beautiful black woman just dominate the shape, the looks, everything. And this one again. Oh, she's flying her jump. Yeah, she's flying her jump, but that don't make she attractive. And it makes she have look a bunny. Sorry, boss. Yes. Sister Wagwan. Oh boy. This is my first time at this place here. I would like to know a little about it. Tell me what you can tell me about this YS. YS River. How did the name come about?
Hayes and Scott is the first two owners for the property.
Hayes and Scott.
Yes.
They're Irish. White people.
I don't know.
You don't know?
White, you know, but
Okay.
I know that the grandchildren, them white.
Oh well, you know that then obviously.
Yes.
Then who follow now? Who won after?
The grandchildren, them,
The grandchildren
Brownie's family.
Oh, they are the one who won it now.
Yes.
There's a whole bunch of land, you know.
Only for land.
And it's a beautiful place located in
When you
Jamaica.
go back down, they can tell you the amount. When you go when you buy your ticket, they can tell you amount.
Okay, like this look like about a 20 or more acre.
More than that, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, more than that. They can tell you.
These people here, you see, my assumption about this thing, I know it was a white person who owned this, you know. And you see, a free country, and it's owned by white people.
Yes.
How sad it is. I hope them pay you good, you know.
Come on, all right.
Yeah, give God thanks. Oh, we get one lady to talk to, just a little bit.
People get to work.
Yeah, people get work, you know, and get money.
How they here work, man?
That good. Yeah, man, we love that. Hayes and Scott is their name, right?
Yes, yes.
And then the grandchildren take over. Wow. So this is why it's a beautiful place, beautiful Jamaica, wonderful thing. You hear it from the horse's mouth then. Yeah. Why, can't go more so. Can't go more so at all. I always believe that. I always believe that it would be. Yeah, I always believe that it would be like a white man or an English, sorry, or an Englishman won it. And my belief confirmed. Yeah, there's a bunch of, whole heap of acre land, whole bunch. We drive about 30, about half hour driving coming up. Yeah. Beautiful place. But you know everybody want to go YS River, so we just go with them. Nothing is wrong with going and know YS and things like that. You know, everybody will say, oh, YS is wonderful attraction. I go there, yeah, I will see it for myself. It's lovely. 2,600 Jamaican dollar if you are local. If you share a local ID, like a Jamaican passport, a Jamaican driving license, or something for Jamaican, you get the Jamaican price. Yes, if you're not, you're gonna pay more in US. Luckily for me, I still have my driving license. Yeah, so if you have to hold on to your Jamaican stuff, don't dash for everything. Not tell you, hold on to your Jamaican stuff. That when you come here, they don't treat you like foreigner, they treat you as one of us. Yeah. Wow, this is lovely grass. Let me see, lovely grass. Yeah, it look good. I love it. So people, I don't think we have a lot more to say about YS River. It's a beautiful place to chill out for the day, have fun, enjoy yourself, and go through. Then we're gonna deal with Negril tomorrow, and probably we go to Mandeville. Then we go for the whole St. Catherine, St. Andrew, Kingston, and places. Hello, my friend.
How you doing, brother?
Bless up.
You good?
Yes, man.
Alright.
See, decent people, them. Nice, loving people, them. So I'm telling you right now. We are at Don YS River Fall, and we're gonna go to different places tomorrow and make it nice and proper. Try to make it as interesting as can be. Yeah, rest. Are you ready to go home? Oh, this is your location. Ah, that young lady, she work here too. Okay. Yeah. To them, so nobody can give no tip. No, so them say. People give a tip. Then what this sign all about, tip and discretion and all them, so what them all about? You don't want you to pressure beg them, not true?
Right.
You just want people to give you freely.
You're not supposed to pressure people when you're doing like that.
No, but some of them need pressuring too.
No, it's not really they have to pressure them.
Like, you're good somebody, you know. You're too honest, you know, madam.
I truth.
Yeah, you're kind of a bit too honest, man. Sometimes you have to get on the other side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But we are do a good something. I be like what you say, a real talk. So a white man thing then. Wow. Wanna hear people? YS Fall controlled by white people. Eh? Not you. YS Fall controlled by white people. The airport controlled by white people. And the list go on and on and on and on. Eh? Oh my. Now the Chinese decide to get their own piece of the pie. We're not really cuss nobody this time, you know, because we love the vibes. We are happy. So we don't really want to cuss nobody, you know, bring negative feelings of ourselves. But you hear it, YS Fall is controlled by either the Irish or the English. And trust me, you know good. If me believe in a pump rifle for bark, you know what, it will bark for good purpose, you know, for bark for madness. Yeah. As Daddy Malcolm X would say, if a dog get in your way, kill that dog. Whether it be a white dog, a black dog, a 2-foot dog, a 4-foot dog, get rid of that dog. Trust me. The truth is, dogs shouldn't try to stop human being. We are a stopper. We are a stopper, not no stopper, we stop it. Just like that. Poverty try to stop you, you make sure you stop it. Hardship try to stop you, make sure you stop it. Hungry try to stop you, you stop it. That's all me and some people them. BSB. Miss Who come here? Okay. Yeah. Make another walk again. And then me done. Beautiful YS Fall. No smoking environment. What a foolishness this is. In a big open place you can't smoke. Hi. You good? Careful, wear gloves. Alright, this is it. This is it now.